Hello everyone, my name is Rhea, and you're tuned in to Speak English with Rhea. Before we dive in, if you want to learn real English or if you know someone who could benefit from this podcast, please subscribe, give us a like, and share it. Today we have a very useful lesson. We're going to learn collocations with the word keep. The word keep is very common in English. We use it in many different expressions. When you learn these collocations, you will sound more natural and fluent. Today, I will teach you 20 collocations with keep. Don't worry, we will practice together with shadowing step by step. Are you ready? Let's begin. Collocation number 1. Keep calm. Keep calm means to stay relaxed and not get stressed, especially in difficult situations. Keep calm during the emergency. Keep calm during the emergency. Please keep calm. Everything will be okay. Now let's practice together. Listen first, then repeat after me. Keep calm. Try again. Keep calm. I keep calm. You keep calm. Keep calm during the emergency. Keep calm during the emergency. Excellent! Keep in touch. Keep in touch means to continue communicating with someone and stay in contact. Let's keep in touch after graduation. Let's keep in touch after graduation. I keep in touch with my old friends. Ready to practice? Keep in touch. Keep in touch. I keep in touch. Let's keep in touch. Let's keep in touch after graduation. Let's keep in touch after graduation. Wonderful. Collocation number 3. Keep a secret. Keep a secret means to make sure information stays confidential and hidden. Can you keep a secret? Don't tell anyone. Can you keep a secret? Don't tell anyone. She can't keep a secret. Let's practice. Keep a secret. Keep a secret. I keep a secret. Can you keep a secret? Can you keep a secret? Can you keep a secret? Perfect. Collocation number 4. Keep a promise. Keep a promise means to do what you said you would do. It means you follow through. I always keep my promises. I always keep my promises. He didn't keep his promise. Practice time. Repeat after me. Keep a promise. Keep a promise. I keep my promise. You keep your promise. I always keep my promises. I always keep my promises. Great job! Collocation number 5. Keep quiet. Keep quiet means to remain silent or stop making noise. Please keep quiet in the library. Please keep quiet in the library. The children kept quiet during the movie. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. Keep quiet. Quiet. I keep quiet. Please keep quiet. Please keep quiet in the library. Please keep quiet in the library. Excellent work. Keep your voice down. Keep your voice down means to talk more quietly. It's similar to keep quiet, but it means reduce the volume. Keep your voice down. The baby is sleeping. Keep your voice down. The baby is sleeping. Keep it down, please. Practice. Repeat after me. Keep your voice down. Keep your voice down. Keep it down. Keep your voice down. The baby is sleeping. Keep your voice down. The baby is sleeping. Fantastic! Keep something in mind. Keep something in mind. Keep in mind that the store closes at 6. Keep in mind that the store closes at 6. I'll keep that in mind. Repeat after me. Keep in mind. Keep it in mind. I'll keep that in mind. Keep in mind that the store closes at 6. Keep in mind that the store closes at 6. Great! Collocation number 8. Keep your distance. Keep your distance means to stay away from someone or something. Keep your distance from that dog. It looks angry. Keep your distance from that dog. It looks angry. Please keep your distance. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Keep your distance. Keep your distance. I keep my distance. Keep your distance from that dog. Keep your distance from that dog. Excellent! Keep up the good work. Keep up the good work. It means continue doing excellent work. You're doing great. Keep up the good work. You're doing great. Keep up the good work. Keep it up. Practice time. Repeat after me. Keep up the good work. Keep up the good work. Keep it up. You're doing great. Keep up the good work. You're doing great. Keep up the good work. Perfect. Keep up. Keep up means to maintain the same pace with someone or something, to not fall behind. Walk slower. I can't keep up with you. Walk slower. I can't keep up with you. Another example, can you keep up? Repeat after me. Keep up. Keep up. I can't keep up. Can you keep up? I can't keep up with you. I can't keep up with you. Wonderful. Keep up to date. Keep up to date means to stay informed about new information and current events. I keep up to date with the news every morning. I keep up to date with the news every morning. It's important to keep up to date. Let's practice. Keep up to date. Keep up to date. I keep up to date. I keep up to date with the news. I keep up to date with the news. Great. Keep track of. Keep track of means to monitor or stay informed about something. I keep track of my spending every month. I keep track of my spending every month. Do you keep track of your expenses? Practice. Repeat after me. Keep track of. Keep track of. I keep track of my spending. I keep track of my spending every month. Again, I keep track of my spending every month. Excellent. Keep someone posted. Keep someone posted means to provide someone with updates as new information becomes available. Please keep me posted about the meeting. Please keep me posted about the meeting. I'll keep you posted now. Repeat after me. Keep me posted. Keep me posted. Keep you posted. I'll keep you posted. Please keep me posted about the meeting. Please keep me posted about the meeting. Perfect. Collocation number 14. Keep someone company. Keep someone company means to spend time with someone in a friendly way, often while they're waiting. Can you keep me company while I wait? Can you keep me company while I wait? I'll keep you company. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Keep someone company. Keep me company. Keep you company. I'll keep you company. Can you keep me company while I wait? Can you keep me company while I wait? Wonderful. Keep a journal. Keep a journal or keep a diary means to regularly write about your daily life, thoughts, or experiences. I keep a journal every night before bed. I keep a journal every night before bed. She keeps a diary. Practice time. Repeat after me. Keep a journal. Keep a diary. I keep a journal. I keep a journal every night. I keep a journal every night. Great job. Keep a day free. Keep a day free means to avoid making other plans so you are available on a specific day. Keep Saturday free. We're having a party. Keep Saturday free. We're having a party. I'll keep that date free. Repeat after me. Keep a day free. Keep Saturday free. Keep that date free. Keep Saturday free. We're having a party. Keep Saturday free. We're having a party. Excellent. Keep score. Keep score means to track and record points during a game or competition. Can you keep score during the basketball game? Can you keep score during the basketball game? I'm keeping score. Let's practice. Repeat after me. Keep score. Keep score. I keep score. Can you keep score? Can you keep score during the game? Can you keep score during the game? Perfect. Keep the change. Keep the change means to allow a service worker to keep the remaining money as a tip. Here's $20. Keep the change. Here's $20. Keep the change. This is a polite way to give a tip to a taxi driver, delivery person, or waiter. Practice. Keep the change. You can keep the change. Here's $20. Keep the change. Here's $20. Keep the change. Fantastic! We have 2 more. Let's learn them quickly. Number 19. Keep something to yourself. Keep something to yourself means don't share information with others. Please keep this to yourself. Keep this to yourself. Good. Number 20. Keep your place. Keep your place means to mark a spot in a book or maintain your position in a line. Use this bookmark to keep your place. Keep your place. Excellent. Wonderful. You learned 20 collocations with keep today. That's amazing. Let's review the most important ones. Listen carefully. Keep calm. Keep in touch. Keep a secret. Keep a promise. Keep quiet. Keep your voice down. Keep in mind. Keep your distance. Keep up. Keep up. Keep up to date. Keep track of. Keep me posted. Keep someone company. Keep a journal. Keep a day free. Keep score. Keep the change. Keep it to yourself. Keep your place. Now let's practice 5 important ones together. Repeat after me. Keep calm. Keep in touch. Keep a promise. Keep me posted. Keep up the good work. You did an incredible job today. 20 collocations is a lot, but you practiced them all. Remember, the more you use these collocations, the more natural your English will become. Try to use at least 3 of them this week. Thank you so much for listening. Let me know in the comments, what topic would you like to learn about next? Goodbye. Keep calm, keep in touch with your friends, and keep up the good work with your English studies.